Hey everyone, it's Neil and I'm going skiing soon. So what do you need when you go skiing? You need a ski jacket. So I got myself this one here from Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves, but let's just check it out and see how it is. It looks like it's by WULFUL. Can you see it there with the reflection? There we go. WULFUL, but let's see how it looks, see how it fits. See if it's warm. Got good reviews as far as warmth goes. Got decent reviews on waterproof and stuff too, because it's got that nylon cover on it. And let's check it out. If you want to check some of my other reviews, I've got a few other ski items. Let's see, it's got this Velcro here. Extra flap to keep you extra warm and keep the wind out and keep the rain out. It's got just the regular inner lining stuff here going on. Everything looks good to me. I think, what size did I get? I'll tell you what size I got so we can kind of compare. I got a size large. So we'll see. Usually I wear medium and stuff, but I thought, okay, I'm gonna be wearing like a sweater or sweatshirt or something under it, so I got myself something larger. And this is pretty nice and large. So if we look at it here, I'll zip it up. So this is it. It's definitely got some space in there. I might want to send it in and get a medium instead and try that. But for right now, well, I'm also wearing a t-shirt under it. I'll be wearing a bulky sweater. So actually, maybe I will just keep this one. But it seems pretty nice. See what the hood feels like here. The hood. Let's see what we got going on here at the hood. Yep, there we go. My problem is I got the cards from it here. I didn't take the tags off. So they're in my way. But here we go, like that. Good. So let's see if we do one of these things here. Oh, it's got almost like a little hat thingy built into it. Does it have strings or? Yep, it's got the strings here to pull it down. Should have set this up before I put it on, but you get the idea of how it works. You know, pulling it down like this. And how are we doing? Still gotta put more. I think I did this one wrong. Probably need to look at it in the mirror and see what I'm doing. But you get the concept of tightening, cinching it up. So they were cinched up. And then if I was wearing my goggles, I've got a pair of goggles here. There we go. I'm ready for skiing. How do I look? Okay. Well, I kind of like it. So, I mean, it's got all the features I need. It's got nice deep pockets. You can see in here. These pockets go, my hands all the way in them. Seems nice and deep. They also zip. The pockets will zip as well. So I can close those up here. And nice and warm. Definitely warm in here in my apartment. But I kind of like this. And it's got this, I kind of like the way this, the hood has this little hat thingy going on here. Because, you know, sometimes you put these things on and you cinch them up, they cover your eyes. This one's not going to really come down like that because it has that little visor on it. So I like it. So thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be having some other reviews soon. This is pretty nice and warm. So I like it.